Hello guys, today we will cover the topic on SQL Server Intersect Clause. Intersect clause basically is used to combine the result set of two select statements and check for the common records between them. So it returns always a common records from two select statements. So here is the syntax. Select name, here we are checking for column name. Select name from table A, it is the first select statement. Select name from table B, it is the second select statement. Here we have used intersect clause, so it means it will check for the value for column name in both statement and returns only common records. So whatever the value for name column here, whatever the value for name column here will be checked by intersect clause, and if it finds any common value between these two selected statements, it will be returned. So let's quickly check how does it works. Here we have two tables, table 1 and table 2, and here is the output of these two tables. So what if we applied intersect between these two table records? So what happens? Intersect clause will check the four common records between them. So here we can see A, B and E. Only three names are common between these two tables for column name. So let's execute intersect statement. Intersect. So if we execute like this, so it will check for all the columns. So here we have to check for only name. So I'm going to paste here column name, and if I execute, so it will return only the common names value between these two select statement. So here you can see ABE. So if I execute the tables like this, so I'm going to execute all three queries together so we can get better understanding what is happening here. Here is the result set from first statement, here is the result set from second statement, and here you can see A, B and E are common for column name A, B and E, A, B and E. So it returns only a common records. So in similar way we can check for multiple columns also. So whatever the combination of these columns, serial number, name will be matched with second statement, and if it met successfully, then it returns only those combination of rows. So here we can see only three rows are common here. If I execute all three queries together, then we can see better way. Here the first statement, second statement, here is the output of intersect statement. So here you can see combination of serial number and name 1 and A is also available in the second table. Combination of 2 and B is also there in second table, and combination of 4 and D is also there in second table, but the combination of 3 and C is not right there in second table. Combination of 6 and K is not in second table. So it returns only common combination of these column. So we can pass multiple columns to check the record set between two select statement. So and it is always mandatory that if we are using only single column in our select statement, then in our second statement we must include only single columns. We cannot take multiple columns here because it will give an error. Let's check. Here you can see all combined query union using union, intersect or except operator must have an equal number of expression in the target region. So we must include name also there, then only it will work fine. So it was the intersect in SQL Server. So whenever we have a requirement like to check for common record between two tables, we can use intersect Hope you liked the video. Kindly subscribe the channel to get the latest video on SQL Server. Thanks for watching the video.